Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm again with the special video of Kinemaster, how to export Kinemaster video without any error. So viewers, watch my video till end. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned for new updates. Viewers, Kinemaster is used by many YouTubers which edit their movies on mobile. So if you have Kinemaster downloaded from Play Store or any other source and is giving the error of not exporting, then you are here on the right place. Today I will show you how to remove this error and export your video 100% with the bonus trick, viewers. So watch my video till end to have that bonus. You will really enjoy this bonus. Viewers, as you can see that my already installed version is giving me error, is asking for a premium or other things. Now I will export my video, my project, and here is error. An error occurred while exporting. Please try again. Viewers, this is due to many reasons, your mobile operating system and other many problems, hardware and other things. So I will show you how to remove this. Friends, uninstall the first version already installed on your mobile. Again I am asking, watch my video till end so you will get a bonus. Now open the Google Chrome of your mobile phone and copy the link I have given in the description into the browser search bar. Copy the link and hit enter. A new page will pop up with the Google Drive link. Here you have to click on the download arrow button. Now a new page will pop up and it says open with Chrome or Drive. You will click on Chrome. Here is a new page asking for download. Click on download anyway, the button with the blue color, and you click on this. Download will start automatically. Viewers, this software is about 80 to 90 MB, so it will take some time depending on your internet speed. Viewers, I will try to give you authentic softwares that will work for everyone, and if it will not work, you can unsubscribe my channel. Wait for the download to complete. Also, I have given the Filmora software in my channel that is used to edit videos on laptop and desktop. You can also try that. I will give the link in the description and I button. Now the download is complete, viewers. You have to install a new program. If you have not already installed, go in the Play Store and search for WinRAR. Then click on install. Because the file I have given is in zip form, so you have to extract it with the help of a WinRAR or zip extractor. If you have already installed it, skip this part. I will give you complete detail how to solve this problem of exporting. Now open this program, allow it, automatically go into the directory of your phone. Here search for the downloaded files. I have so many files, so it is giving me difficulty to search that. Sorry for that. Here is viewers in the middle of the screen. It is now click on extract here. It will ask for a password. Give the password and then hit OK. Your file will be extracted to the same folder where it is already downloaded in zip form. Now we will again search for the APK file of Kinemaster. Here it is on the top of the screen. Click OK and install it. Now the application is being installed. Wait for some time to complete the installation. Application is installed. Now open it. Here is the interface. Allow it. Just click next. Now open the same project. Click on it. I will just check it. Now I will click on export. Now viewers watch it. My project is being exported into video file. Viewers, the secret bonus is after this exporting. You will see. I will show you something, you will love it. Now play the file that is already exported. Viewers, watch this. There is no logo of Kinemaster on the video, so you will export it without the logo of Kinemaster. This is our secret bonus. Viewers, hope you have enjoyed my video. Just like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye viewers.